This is going to be a video tutorial on how to disable microphone access on the Tor web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Tor web browser opened up now. To disable microphone access, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the page that opens up, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to go down to where it says Privacy and Security and click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to scroll down a ways, down to where you see the Permission section, and in the Permission section, right down here, Microphone, you want to click on Settings off to the right side of Microphone. A little dialog box will open up. Right down here at the bottom it says block new requests asking to access your microphone. This will prevent any websites not listed above from requesting permission to access your microphone. Blocking access to your microphone may break some website features. So you want to check this little box right here next to block new requests asking to access your microphone. And if you have any websites listed in here, as you can see I don't, but if you have any, down at the bottom, there will be 2 buttons, Remove Website or Remove All Websites. Then you just go down to the bottom and click on Save Changes. That is how to disable microphone access on the Tor web browser. Thanks for watching.